I for about Gossip 24, so message also be me a subscribe button now click the bell notification icon so now feel between follow on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Baby I Gossip 24. Now share videos message also be share our comment section emo. Now this is an editorial me akasa na prepare me dey ebro. I just am sure by the end of this particular video no ubenya ho ti asese se me ka say the possibility of Christian Atsu alive no enye 100%. Name 70%. Na 30% na aka no it depending on say Christian Atsu you betumi rescue no ana say you to rescue no some dey me to aka say Christian Atsu 70% possibility say or you alive now me cheche insemu e di ache o maka to say we no me aka some editorial ma prepare based on just say matena sia na makwa hwehwa na makwa search a na ma wabo sansem bo yan no a me dey ebe o intime sire otewaso na tie nsem ni yi se na be ya obenya ensem ni mu enti ase. Now, Mbekaya, Christian Atsu, what take ya to so bobo, Hatai spoil, and I just a news about it say earthquake is see one more. Some the death counts in the echo over 16,000 people will both Syria and Turkey, and I just said Christian Atsu, so unfortunately, why trapped. All a dying bubu yeni bi ase a say ne dan no Renaissance residence a ho na Christian Atsu wo block ni bi block A a ho na Christian Atsu e wo no ma say ho na a dying bubu gu Christian Atsu so as am the wire trapped e wo reports be babonten initially the team ne be catch say omo rescue Christian Atsu omo de ne hospital mo later the better bonten say nipa no rescue no a black to say Christian Atsu and no mo ka say Christian Atsu intine de omo ye mistake in identity near there. Now, Enra update by from Christian Atsu a camp and they say Christian Atsu agent and an asset to an more ekupim or take you on ma some media or one Istanbul. I mean, sure say Christian Atsu man use never want someone who know any at the adena mixed feelings by now can I'm for cry of TSNK. Ebi ankombe tumi a nkomo de omo kwakra beto ho ama Christian Atsu aba life ebi any Christian Atsu ankasa e ma make it ow now, considering all this, Nana Sechebeko Piemu or Istanbul, not Babeto Twitter say, I am currently in Istanbul. The situation remains the same. Christian Atsu is yet to be found. Unless I see or speak with him, I have no further updates. That is a man who will be now who say, Christian Atsu yebe Christian Atsu yebe any problem no. Now, this particular story is breaking into three parts. The first part is just a story of no hope. The second part is bringing a lot of hope. But the third part no, action I will say taking and sana hope no, it to me abimusa. Mama church and some mucho. Now answer the question say mama recommend Sandra Okwan and from Sandra Okwan digital marketing expert. Obo amount for I'm find your feet our digital marketing space no emuti samri so a smartphone or laptop and answer or computer be that wa emane da hoka. But my dear so to me that is also busumi biano winyeska edie go butum Sandra website www.sandraokwan.com Samsung telephone numbers in the screen so no obetumi afa na wafre anasa WhatsApp na onedi komo ma catch you say busumi bia de Sandra Okwan systems na da ho ache so de tete amanfo no busumi bia yebetiawka. And if I go back to Insemnimu, it's the first part in the first part in say Enra Turkish Football Federation or president actually say a friend Mehmet. Now Mehmet you know will be saying a question during his interview or revealing say he test before the letter Breno say omo person mu feel league nimu because of the financial challenges ne atorenche ma to mutino omo person mu withdraw if league nimu match say what ase enu mu na manfo be say okay what can no ho asem na he test before yi omo ka bibia fa Christian Atsu na tiensem a Turkish Football Federation president no ekai edifa Christian Atsu was say we talked to our Haiti sport president about Christian Atsu. He said that a black person escaped under the rubble, but he did not know whether it was Christian Atsu or not. There is no complete clarity. I hope he is among those who were removed. But till now, no, Christian Atsu has not been reported, so among those who have been removed. Now, another person saw Kasaye, Sam. I just saw no see Christian Atsu teammate. In fact, according to Sam, no, Emra Omo Reye on Sunday night, no, Christian Atsu eba ne honomo because omo were the same blocks. So, what I say, Renaissance residents, no, omo were the same blocks. Until Christian Atsu, Christian Atsu, I want the honomo sa enyumeno.
One of my teammates, Christian Atsu, a guy who I was with that evening at my home, is still unaccounted for.
Now, sa enyumeno na Christian Atsu, was Sam, a honomo achesena or Nisame Kasaye and Sana. or call back to your apartment some na earthquake no esi no before Christian Atsu make his move no another person so ani Christian Atsu ekasa Kevin Sonny na Kevin on foot Mercato and I just saw your motor train come and a foot Mercato in their conversation with Kevin Ibisa said several members of the club have not had your luck and are still missing like Christian Atsu and I tell you Kevin Ekanyo or say I get goosebumps talking to you. Before that happened, before the earthquake happened, I was talking with Christian Atsu on phone. He has scored a free kick on Sunday and I told him that he played well and that I liked his match. I told him that I hope to find the grounds quickly so that we could play together. But I didn't know that was the last time I spoke with him. 2 hours later, I had no more news. I was told that my friend might be dead. It's enough to drive you crazy. I'm certainly the last person to have spoken with him on phone. It's Kevin the last person only Christian Atsu ekasa e wo phone so. Now, Otu Asoka say almost I besides some of the media houses so are reporting say owner Christian Atsu omo Christian Atsu ne sa ade no. And I say those are lies. Tuesday evening we flew back to Istanbul and he was not with us. Tuesday evening no team ni na high test team na omo tiase no omo to rescue omo na ade no. Omo fly back to Istanbul na Christian Atsu nka. If he had been found, why wasn't he on the plane? These are lies. They may have said that to maintain hope and not frighten his family. What I can tell you is, he did not fly with us to Istanbul. I hope we will find him. It can be soon some here. Now considering certain news about the time say, Omu Christian Atsu. Now mama for be now. I hopeless. Now this is where there is hope. There is hope. Just say Agents before Omulidi the first rescue team and they call Christian Atsu a residence baby a dying bubu ye a one. Omo the video for abeto abonten. Video no omo the caption win 2 videos. Also there are many living people confirmed by thermal cameras. The building where the national handball player and his family, Hector sport manager Tane Savu and football player Christian Atsu are located is crowded with a capacity of 1,000 people. Now team, let me just say this is where there is hope. Now mama stories now down to your hope no. What I say, might just say you hopeless no. Now, my stories there am I hope no. Now, these stories about up and fiti and I drew eba and apawi. Into na mababu na medebro. Now, this is where there is hope. Omocha a dina Christian Atsu if you know a dina woman a Renaissance residence at Ibubuno and kofo be 1,000 na wo. Na sa dino omo the thermal cameras. Now, thermal cameras no omo yeduma say omo locate warm bodies. What I say bibi e warmer na say e wo bibi ase a e betumi locate am hu say oh anu nipa wa da han ma han nipa da han ma han nipa da han it is cameras ni bi e na che say e detect say enkofo e dan na ebubu no enkofo da so e hye ho enkofo hye dan na se now video no e na ho screen so somebody camera no e ye nyakomade a che say output no e na ho we no so no monitor no e so a che say omo che say enkofo e hye e dan na se a ema amanfo hope senkofo sheda na se now ade chinyi e wo take ya ade chinyi after say thermal cameras no identify senkofo sheda na se ni ade no e na omode sa report we so beto out na report we no e wo take mu enti me translate e de ba English mu maka je se mato ebo ase na my days editorial e na lady no obe post here no e share video bi kire say very urgent work must continue. There is sound that people are detected by the thermal camera, but nothing is done. Drilling crane is needed very urgently. Now, also a Turkish mutin or translating direct, but that's what the video meant. What I say, Omatin Kofonka camera detecting Kofo. Thermal camera detecting Kofo and Kofo shebudnas. Now, so much machines in new one or more. Omude be yin Kofo nefi we a bonase machines in ho it's in confirm we are alive or more was a particular building. It could be say Christian Atsu one of them. It could be say Christian Atsu one of them. But some amino casino machines in ho and you better target one journalist. Now this particular journalist or target no over 4 million followers. What I say our Twitter so and our target no or target journalist is friend say look, there is still no study and it is missing, please. Please, a single sentence of yours will change a lot. Hey, test sport teacher and Atsu and let them remove other people. There are children, please. Those people are alive, please. Till anybody can or say or target journalists they can be able to change a lot because we have 4 million followers. Now in comfort that's what in Kwemo Honomo. A bit better me a Christian Atsu, a bit to me a head sport or team director no tennis sevo and collaborate to me a womb into Muyambwa or Muya machines. Not just Mudi yin cophone. Now share video na lady ni share na. What must say dino mujina ho. Cars this is fire service for cars ni ambulance ni and this is your but machines they pay abono and no money. Now I'm a pay as at 8:27 a.m. on Friday 10 February 2023. Yagis as also the two just said. Hetai Renaissance Residence A1 block still no machine detected by thermal camera that there are people living there. And I said there are living people. In the thermal camera detected saying comfort e won kwemu ho. But still ano machine be anyone mo be yin comfort no. Machine be anyone mo be there. O be yin comfort no. However, take it for no till Yagis no report or the bar earlier before somebody announced say Atsu residency the machine be anyone. Or better way say in her time 6 of our citizens at the moment take it for were rescued from the wreckage after 102 hours. It's even if say Christian Atsu alive kana. Christian Atsu building na or shemu na just say and then the boa cameras are pick say or we are alive and for alive or hono. And hono machines be anyone would be in conform. But the same place I want her tie hono monano. Take it for no a year or mom for at the sana pay or more rescue for 6. But Christian Atsu ni Renaissance residence no. A hono modie. I just say hope war cameras and detectors say nipa won kwemu e wo hono no. E hono modie. Machines ni ho mudi yi nipa. It's the Christian Atsu you are alive. Empoa say na bidi kai ni say 70%. So you are alive, but I can't say you be yi no. I can't say you be yi your man who say oh Christian or you are alive na say na to no. Ebia e many be do say you be nyam machines e be yi no. Na afi dia keche. Enti hope ne no nie. My catch was say initially reports about bonten who reports about bonten from the agents no say odu on unless who Christian Atsu and also tenika or ye de hu no. And also ye de atenika. TFF, Turkish Football Federation President Abekasa, say I am many haters for President Nakasa, no musi Christian Atsu, omunya, omuhun, and also omu to be rescue. No. Initially, omu rescue black man be but no more can say Christian Atsu, but let us say, or a wrong identity. It's a Christian Atsu munye no. I'm a Christian Atsu teammates, and so Abekasa. Sa Atsu fi ni hoko ya, and I should say earthquake in this year. Saso na Christian Atsu teammates on any kasa wo phone so enso be kasa omu fa team ni na omo so bi ni na de mo ko Istanbul na Christian Atsu nkan ina se Christian Atsu still ano oda so wo hatai ho so da so wo hatai ho dia and na se building na e collapse here a Christian Atsu wo mu no e ho so na enu anadwo cameras akwa pick say thermal cameras akwa pick say enipa tinkwemu wo building na se enye so obi ewu wo building mu enipa ha bebre da so tinkwemu wo building na se. Now so besi ana pay no machine ebeko ekoko yi nipa na efi building na se no machine ebeko ekoko twetwa na yi blocks no mo yi nipa na efi building na se no machines ni ho now so make a take ko ya hetai ko ya take for no eyi o nipa o ma rescue nipa ba 6 ana pay ba Christian Atsu building e de omuntu out of all intina bi di kai no say 70%. Now, in some way, Clemento Suarez have a church on Instagram page. So I think it's very, very important. And I conclude the video. Say the last thing he posted was about his team's win and his goal on Sunday. Also, the next day there comes an earthquake and is reported to be trapped in the rubble. After 24 hours, we are informed that he has been rescued with some injuries and difficulty in breathing, but responded to treatment. Search for the particular hospital comes up, and there is a turnaround on his story. Chris is still not found. It was a case of mistaken identity. Hey, it's been 5 days. And the Ghanaian international World Cup star, former Chelsea player, her test poster is still not found. The football world is silent about it. Soccer stars, fans, and the government have made this accident very normal. Where is Christian Atsu? Or maybe he is not precious enough. I am not asking Nana Akufo-Addo to declare a day fasting for him and Turkey because he is building a cathedral. I am not asking Cristiano and Lionel Messi and other stars to make a post to show support to. There may be an official policy which I am ignorant of or may not understand, but I am sad. Just sad for you, bro. That's Christian Atsu. May God continue to care for you wherever you are, and may He strengthen your beautiful family. We love you, Chris. Now, per this post, no, it's only one thing that Clemento Suarez episode suggests to say. I say Christian Atsu no, omu ni importance. Was citing Christian Atsu ni importance. I say football world no, any Ghana, sebi India, your man penny, nana omu Christian Atsu importance. Because I Twitter, Israel for Defense Force no. Almost send the rescue team at the court Turkey. USA first send your rescue team at the court Turkey. There's a muyi or this year or this year. Israel for some more rescue and some by two obi my nipa back who man you know. But omo residents are more data or information say ahanomo Israel for say nana etia. Ahanomo Israel for say nana etia. Sa residents na Israel for Defense Forces no ekoko komwa buildings no mo kokwa omo rescue amafo. Utie ye na so ya Ghana na kopie ohon ma no you. Utie na ofi Pakistan na kopie ohon mo you. Utie na ofi US na kopie ohon ma no you. Sa so na US in force asoma mo kofo. It's by this post no, I'm sure say Clemento Suarez literally opeso obisa Ghana buying football world no say. Most we dey na mo ye ma Christian Atsu. Again, and na mo ye e dey ma Christian Atsu. Some my church and say mo acho. Said there is 70% hope say Christian Atsu is alive. 100% say being 100% comes with action. Say baby a Christian Atsu building ne bubu no machines beba ho. No way to me lift it. No mahwe. Say nipa na wo ho no Christian Atsu e ka ho bia na. And no answer na bebe 100%. Until then dey omo say nipa e da so atiase e wo blocks no. I say aha ye gossip 24. Must also be me a subscribe button so now I click on notification icon so Magraheb.